Podcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hi everyone, good morning. Welcome to this special webinar. Before we start, I need a confirmation that my voice is audible to you all and the screen is visible. So next 1 or 2 minutes we can wait and आप में से कुछ लोग मुझे confirmation दे सकते हैं कि मेरी screen visible है और मेरी आवाज आप लोग को आ रही है. You can post your response in the question box. All right, so I have got some of the responses. Thank you so much for letting me know. And I think now we can start. So I welcome you all in this special webinar. My name is Sonali Palande. I'm a derivative product strategist in HDFC Securities. I welcome you all again. So this is a special webinar that we have planned. Okay. And in this webinar, we are going to introduce our new and much powerful app, InvestRight. Okay. So as you all know that post 31st of July, our existing HDFC Securities app will not be available. So we are introducing you with this much powerful and amazing app that is called InvestRight to you all. So we have planned this webinar to make you all well acquainted with this new app so that, you know, it will be easier for you to explore this app and its features because, you know, even if you are an investor, if you are a trader or अगर आप कुछ नया start कर रहे हैं investing या फिर trading में, still all of you have so many amazing features that can be helpful and that are amazing. So let's just start. Before starting, I'll read a standard disclaimer. The content and explanation shared in this webinar are only for information and educational purpose. Stock market trading and investment are subject to market risk. Please consult your financial advisor before making financial decisions. Now, so this particular webinar is divided into two parts. First, we will walk through you all through our offerings. I will explain you all the features that we have. Okay. And then in the second part, I'm also going to give you a live demo of important features. So जब आप actually इसको use करोगे, आपका काफी time save हो जाएगा. Okay, so webinar दो part में होगा. First, आपको features मैं explain करूंगी सारे जो important features है, new features है. And उसके बाद second part में आपको live demo भी देखने को मिलेगा. So आप लोग already familiar हो जाएंगे इस app से. Okay, so now I'm going to close my video so that screen will be bigger. Just let me do that. I hope it is bigger now. So what all offerings you will get in this particular app called InvestRight? Firstly, you will be able to you know, transact into equities or stocks. There are F&O or derivatives, plus MTF, mutual funds, exchange traded funds, SGBs, GSEC, sovereign gold bonds, government securities, plus you will be also able to participate into IPOs. So everything is available in this app. Plus when it comes to the exchanges, we have NSE. On the NSE, you will be able to participate into cash market plus derivatives. And we also have BSE, and through BSE also you will be able to participate into cash market and derivatives as well. Okay, so both the exchanges we have cash market and derivatives. Now, so सबसे important part इसमें login कैसे करना है? इसमें हम लोग ट्रेडिशनल जो टू फैक्टर ऑथेंटिकेशन का वे था लॉगिन करने वाला, उससे लॉगिन कर ही सकते हैं. दैट इज द, यू नो, ट्रेडिशनल मेथड. बट इसमें अवेलेबल है हमारे पास एमपिन. यू विल बी एबल टू लॉग इन थ्रू एमपिन, touch ID and face ID as well. So once you you know, install this app and log in into your account, you can also set the MPIN, touch ID and face ID. So next time when you log in into this app, your login is done in, you know, fraction of seconds. So it is very fast. So this is the new dashboard that will be live in few days. This is going to be soon available to you all. This is a new and advanced dashboard where everything is customizable. Okay, you can get the access to recent activity, personalized recommendations, real time notifications, plus अगर आपको कुछ और भी search करना है, there is always a search bar available, and where you can search and find the results based on your requirements. Okay, so this is going to be available in next 10 days, but right now there is a standard dashboard available, and this is the advanced dashboard that will be soon available to you all. Next, we have this markets tab where 200 plus screeners are available for the trading ideas. So basically, if you're a trader, investor, मल्टीपल आपके जो स्क्रीनर्स है वो अवेलेबल है, जिसमें टॉप गेनर्स, टॉप लूजर्स, या फिर स्टॉक्स बेस्ड ऑन द ओआई built up, even the OI activity, price activity, based on everything, you will get 200 plus screeners available in this market stack. Plus, you will also get real-time news, bulk and block deals news and information, FIDI data, and you will also be able to place the orders from events and corporate actions. So once you visit this particular tab called markets, you will get all the information which is required for you to make any decision for your investment or trading. Plus where you can find the events and corporate actions. If you feel like participating into that particular stock, you can directly place the order from there itself. So option chain is, something which is very important, especially for the traders, for the option traders, right? So we have this option chain, okay? From the option chain, it is possible to place the, buy and sell orders with just a swipe, okay? What all you get on the option chain, you get to see the OI built up. You can, also check the volume of the strikes. Everything is available on the option chain, and the plus point is that you can directly place the orders with just one swipe. Now, this is another amazing feature that is lined up for you all. Okay, this will be soon available in this watch list. This is an advanced level of watch list where you can get the watch list for equity and options, where you can get the special nudges if there are any corporate actions like split, bonus, dividend, or any kind of corporate action is there. आपको वहां पे एक nudge मिलेगा जिससे आपको पता चल जाएगा, so you are well informed. Plus if there are any trading trends like 52 week high, अगर कोई स्टॉक है आपके वॉच लिस्ट में, अगर उसका कोई ट्रेंड चल रहा है कि 52 वीक हाई बना रहा है, लो बना रहा है, या फिर इफ इट इज इनटू टॉप गेनर्स, या फिर कुछ ऐसा एक ट्रेंड में वो है, तो वो भी आपको वहां पे नज मिल जाएगा, देखने को मिलेगा कि इफ दिस स्टॉक इज into 52 week high or low or something like that. Plus there is margin funding indicators available, right? Also, if you have the stocks available into your portfolio which are into your watch list, you will be able to see the profit numbers as well. Okay, so this is a power packed watch list that will be soon available to you all, right? This is a very, very amazing and advanced level of watch list that any investor or trader can think about. Now, this is another so amazing feature called order slicing. So this is most important for the traders, especially for the option traders, F&O traders. Okay, अगर आप F&O में ट्रेड करते हैं, बहुत बारी जो एक फ्रीज क्वांटिटी का एक लिमिटेशन होता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल एक ऑर्डर में एक लिमिट होता है क्वांटिटी का, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल निफ्टी के लिए 1800 है, बैंक निफ्टी के लिए 900 है, तो एक सिंगल ऑर्डर में आप उस क्वांटिटी से ज्यादा लॉट्स नहीं प्लेस कर सकते हो, राइट? आपको मल्टीपल ऑर्डर्स प्लेस करने पड़ते हैं, बट विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑर्डर स्लाइसिंग you can directly place the quantity of your wish, okay, and the slicing will be done on the back end through the app. Okay, so basically as you can see on the screen, आप अगर स्क्रीन पे देख पा रहे हैं, यहाँ पे मैंने क्वांटिटी डाली है 18,025. ओके, सो यहाँ पे ये मुझे दिखाएगा कि ऑर्डर्स विल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 11 पार्ट्स. ओके, 11 ऑर्डर्स इन टोटल. ऑलराइट, but I do not really have to do anything different. I just have to place the quantity whichever I want, and all the rest of the things will be done by the app. It will be taken care at the back end. Okay, if you can see over here, all the details, see order slicing detail, max quantity 1800. So based on that, 11 slices will be done, and 11 orders will be placed on the back end. So you do not have to worry about, doing multiple orders manually. All right. So this is also a feature that is going to be available in next few days, but it's a very, very important feature if you are a trader. This is something to be excited about. Now, as you all already aware that we have the in-house research team, and the research recommendations are given for equity, for F&O, for basket investments, and all of that. So currently the accuracy or the efficacy for the equity part is 90% plus, and for the F&O it is 70% plus. So it's an amazing result that is consistently being given from the in-house research team. So that is also a very important feature that we already have in this app. So you can find the research recommendations in this app. All right. In the live demo, I'll also show you where to find the research recommendations from the dashboard. आपको मैं दिखा दूंगी कि dashboard से हम लोग research recommendation तक कैसे जाएंगे या कैसे find out करेंगे. Okay. So जो भी आपको research recommendation मिलते हैं उसके real time updates भी आपको मिलेंगे. All right. So once, for example, if the trade is to be closed into profit or any update is there, you can you can get the real time updates on that as well. Now, this is also another feature. The order book is also very much advanced. So you can have a quick view of your orders and positions into this order book. Okay, your open orders, closed orders, जो भी आपने orders place करे हैं, pending है या जो भी है, वो सारे orders आपको order book में देखने को मिलेंगे. All right, real time M2M calculation आपको देखने को मिलेगा. All right, so you do not have to worry about, or you do not have to calculate on your own. आपको real time M2M देखने को मिल जाएगा. In addition to that, we also have a repeat order. All right, so if you have any orders into your closed orders or executed orders, अगर आपको same order repeat करना है तो आपको अलग से जाके सारे details नहीं place करने पड़ेंगे. You can just simply click on repeat order and your previous order will be repeated. Okay, so आपका manual work काफी decrease हो जाता है, जिसमें आप simply you can click on repeat order and all your details for the previous order will be replicated and another order will be placed. So इसमें भी आपका काफी time save हो जाता है. So these are all features which are very much important, especially for the F&O traders. Now, this is something for the investors. All right. So this is now we have come towards the portfolio. So you can have the multi-asset portfolio, event tag, and even the recommendation tags you will be able to see in the portfolio. So for example, आपके portfolio में कोई stock है, उसमें अगर research का recommendation है, you will be able to see that. So based on that as well, you can you can think that if to hold that stock for even longer period, because now there is a greater confirmation from the research team as well, or if there are any events, so that you can you can be well informed about what is going to be happening about the stocks that are there into your portfolio. Okay, so अगर आप investor है, आपके लिए भी इसमें काफी सारे new and advanced features है. With the help of that, you can be well informed about your investments. Now, this is a mini quote. This is, in this you can get the quick information about the company that you have selected, or the stock that you have selected, or any contract that you have selected. All right. So in the mini quote, that you can get the company related data for fundamental analysis. You can also get the access to option chain if you're a trader. You can get the technical charts. Okay. And all the important information about that stock or contract. Okay, so this is also be going to be available in next few days. This is all lined up as we are planning for all the revamp and all the important features, all the advanced level of features are going to be available for you all in the next few days. Now, so charts, as you know, charts are integral part of any investor or any trader. So we have these charts available, so you can have a full screen of charts. You can you can access all the charting tools into your InvestRight app. All right, So these charts are very much user friendly. You can get all the strategy kind of things. You can do all the drawings on these charts. You can use all the tools. Plus you can also get the buy and sell signals on the chart. Okay. Now, as we come towards IPO, as we get a lot of IPOs into the market, they keep coming. So you can, आप IPO में भी participate कर सकते हो with the help of InvestRight app. आपको कहीं और जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can truly participate into the IPO market through this app as well. Okay, so जब भी आप IPO में participate करते हो, you need some information about the upcoming company, right? So जब भी आप IPO के section में जाओगे, you can get the details like business summary, strength and risk of that particular IPO or that company. Okay, promoters information. This is also very important. Peer comparison, revenue, profit, and asset cards. So जो भी information आपको required होगी to take the decision if you should participate into that IPO or not, all that information will be available, and post that once you make your decision, you will be able to participate into IPO through this app itself. So we have recently launched the Insta options, this platform. Okay, this platform is especially made for the F&O traders. So this platform has all the advanced level of analytical tools, execution tools. Okay, so based on this, the F&O traders can smoothly build their strategies, check the payoff graph, and they can also get the ready-made strategies. All right, they can place the orders, track their strategies, analyze their strategies, positions, everything. So this is a new platform that we have integrated with. This is an Insta option platform. This you can access on the web. Okay, you can also find specially dedicated webinar recording on our YouTube channel, where you can go and watch the recording, and you can find all the details related to this particular platform. आपको वो recording में पता चल जाएगा कि कैसे access करना है, या फिर इसके unique features क्या है. All that you will get to know in that recording. If you wish to watch it, you can visit YouTube channel of HDFC Securities. We now also have the open API and individual API. So if you wish to, connect through the various apps, you can always connect through the individual API, and you can also get the information like API and secret API of all the apps connected. You can, find more information on our website if you visit. All right. So we also have the APIs now. Now, as we come towards the mutual fund section, हम लोग ने इक्विटीज के बारे में बात करी, हम लोग ने F&O traders के बारे में बात करी, but we also have the all the requirements of the mutual fund section. All of your investment requirements into the mutual funds are taken care in this new app, InvestRight. Okay, so once you visit this tab, mutual funds, you can choose your time frame and see the best performance. Also the top recommendations you can see. You can also make use of SIP calculator, so it will be easy for you to understand how much money if you put, what returns you can get after the certain number of years. So that easily is available. इसके साथ साथ आपको you will be able to get the news, and you can you will be able to track the news about your funds, schemes, movements and NFOs. So all the information जो भी आपको required होगा mutual fund में participate करने के लिए, investment करने के लिए, all that is available into the mutual fund section. So the reports are also very much important as we make the investments or as we do the trading. The reports are very much important to see the results for even for the taxation purpose. So what all reports do we have? XIRR report to evaluate the actual profit loss over the time. Capital gain report hai, plus profit and loss report for the earnings. So all these reports are available into InvestRight app. So आप app के through भी ये reports को access कर सकते हो बहुत ही easily. ये जो ऐप है इसको आप इनिशियली हम लोग ने बात करी थी कि आप सब कुछ कस्टमाइज कर सकते हो, तो इन द सेटिंग्स एंड प्रेफरेंसेस you can change your preferences, you can have the customized settings, right? So you can change the dashboard to static or dynamic. आपका जो order placement के preference है आप वो change कर सकते हो. इंडाइसेस आपको डैशबोर्ड पर कौन से दिखने चाहिए, अगर आप कोई स्पेसिफिक इंडाइसेस में ट्रेड करते हो या फिर उनको ऑब्जर्व करते हो, तो वो इंडाइसेस आप सेट कर सकते हो. सो इट इज टोटली इन योर कंट्रोल व्हाट यू वांट टू सी इन द ऐप, व्हाट यू वांट टू सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन. You can also set preferences for the notifications and the landing page as well. So all the controls are in your hand. This is very much customizable app. So what all we have seen? We have seen all our unique features, advanced features that are available in InvestRight app, or they are going to be soon available. So what all we have seen? हम लोग ने देखा dynamic dashboard जो हमारे पास है, markets page, extensive search, watch list, get a quote, buy sell swipe. You can place the orders with just a swipe, and the portfolio section. So these are some important features that we have seen. All right. And we are also going to see some of the live demo of some of the important features. So now I'm going to show you a video of the live demo. All right. So what all we are going to see, जो भी important चीजें हैं कि इसमें लॉगिन कैसे करना है ऐप में, या फिर इसमें हमें फंड्स कैसे ऐड करने हैं, या फिर ऑर्डर कैसे प्लेस करने हैं, वेरियस काइंड्स ऑफ ऑर्डर्स आपके पास कौन से अवेलेबल है. सो ऑल दैट इंफॉर्मेशन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट. ओके, so let's just start. So first we are going to see how to log in the InvestRight app. So once you install this particular app, you have to click on it and you have to enter the login ID and password. So this is the existing HDFC securities login ID and password. Okay, आपको कोई नया login ID credentials लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपके जो existing credentials हैं उसी के साथ आप InvestRight में login कर सकते हो. So once you put your login ID and password, आपको OTP मिलेगा registered email ID and phone number पे, वो आपको enter करना है and उसके बाद आपका login हो जाएगा within just seconds. So this is the login procedure. This is the dashboard which you will find after your login. So now important part, हमें funds कैसे add करने हैं, right? So let's just watch it. Once you land on the dashboard, you have to click on this particular icon. और इसके बाद आपको प्रोफाइल में जाना है. ओके, इस पर्टिकुलर आइकन में क्लिक करके आप प्रोफाइल सेक्शन में जाओगे. यहाँ पे आपको फंड्स का सेक्शन मिलेगा. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन फंड्स, देन ऐड फंड्स. आपको अमाउंट एंटर करना है. ओके, और अमाउंट एंटर करने के बाद इफ यू हैव 3-in-1 अकाउंट विद HDFC बैंक, यू हैव टू सिंपली क्लिक ऑन hold funds. If you have any other bank linked, you can simply your linked bank will be visible over here. और उसके बाद आपको पेमेंट ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करके इसको पे एंड कंफर्म करना है. So if you have the 3-in-1 account with HDFC Bank, it is much easier for you that you just have to hold the funds. So post that, let's see how to access the watch list. So once you land upon the dashboard, here you can see the watch list button. You have to click on that. ओके, ये जो बॉटम में आपको वॉच लिस्ट का बटन दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे आपको क्लिक करना है. उसके बाद आपको जो भी स्क्रिप्ट्स ऐड करने हैं वो आप यहाँ पे सर्च कर सकते हो. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई वांट टू ऐड SBI, तो मैंने SBI का बाय द टेक्स्ट आई सर्च्ड इट एंड आई क्लिक्ड ऑन दिस पर्टिकुलर आइकन टू सेव इट. With the similar procedure, we can also search for any F&O contract or any other contracts as well, and we can add them. So here I'm searching for Nifty 24,500 call. So that is also added now. So if we go back, as you can see, the contracts that we had saved from the search that are now visible in the watch list. So it gets much easier for us to place the trades or have the trades placed through the watch list, right? Suppose that what are we going to see? We are going to see where to find the research recommendations. ओके हम लोग ने इससे पहले हम लोग ने रिसर्च रिकमेंडेशंस के बारे में बात करी थी, इन हाउस रिसर्च टीम के बारे में बात करी थी. सो इन्वेस्ट राइट ऐप में आपको रिसर्च रिकमेंडेशंस कहाँ देखने को मिलेंगे, दैट वी विल सी नाउ. सो दिस इज द डैशबोर्ड. इफ यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, यहाँ पे जो आपका बॉटम बार है इसमें कॉर्नर में आपको ये रिसर्च का बटन मिलेगा, इस पे आपको क्लिक करना है. So once you click on research, you will find equity derivative mutual fund tabs. So आपको based on all these three categories you will get the research recommendations available. जो भी research team से recommendations है वो आपको यहाँ देखने को मिलेंगे. So यहाँ पे मैंने equity पर क्लिक किया. equity में fundamental, technical, trading ये 3 categories पे we can find the recommendations, and यहाँ directly हम लोग order भी place कर सकते हैं. Okay, here we can find the more details about recommendations, plus यहाँ से directly हम लोग order place कर सकते हैं. Okay, so based on the recommendation, if you feel like you have to get that trade or you have to invest into that stock, you can simply do it from here itself. Similarly, if we click on derivatives, we can find the recommendations for futures, options. Similarly, for the mutual funds, we get various categories, right? So now, as we have seen the basics of the this new app called InvestRight, हम लोग ने dashboard देखा, funds कैसे add करने हैं वो देखा, research recommendations देखा. But सबसे important part, अगर आपको orders place करने हैं तो वो कैसे करना है? Okay, सो फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे, एक इक्विटी का ऑर्डर देखेंगे. ओके, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकेंड. सो इक्विटी में या फिर स्टॉक में हमें ऑर्डर कैसे प्लेस करना है वो देखेंगे. सो दिस इज हाउ टू प्लेस ऑर्डर. दिस इज द डैशबोर्ड. यहाँ पे आपको सर्च बार में जो भी स्टॉक यू विश टू ट्रांजैक्ट इनटू, यू कैन गो एंड सर्च दैट स्टॉक. So for example, I've searched for Reliance. I can click on it. So once I click, यहाँ पे मुझे बाय सेल के बटन मिलते हैं, राइट? यहाँ से हम स्टॉक का जो चार्ट है उसको भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं इफ यू वांट टू मेक एनी डिसीजंस और इफ यू वांट टू टेक एनी इंफॉर्मेशन. सो जैसे ही हम लोग बाय पे क्लिक करते हैं, दिस पेज विल बी ओपन, राइट? यहाँ पे हम लोग को जो भी ऑर्डर डिटेल्स है वो एंटर करने हैं. ओके, वी हैव टू एंटर द प्रोडक्ट टाइप. So for example, we have to select cash if we want to get the delivery of the stock, and we wish to hold that stock for as many days as we want. Okay, so cash is basically for the investment purpose. So there is also intraday available. Intraday unke liye hai when we initiate the trade and close it or square it off on the same day itself. Okay, so this is mainly for the trading purpose. And thirdly, we also have e-margin. So e-margin में क्या होता है कि you get the leverage to participate into that stock. So you can get 4x of margin over here to buy that stock. So for example, अगर आपके पास 1 lakh का capital है, you can buy that stock up to 4 lakh. Okay, so it depends on which stock you select, but you can get 4x of margin available if you select the e-margin button. Post that, you can also edit the other details like quantity. You can also select the order type if you want to place the order on the market price, or you want to select the limit price, or you want to select the SLM. All right, so all that you can select, and post that you have to click on buy button. Here you have to confirm all the order details that you have already entered, and उसके बाद हमें confirm buy order पे click करना है. We have to click on confirm buy order button, and your order will be placed. So this is how we can participate, or we can buy the stocks, or transact into equity. Okay, now we will also see how to place orders for F&O. Okay. सो एज वी हैव सीन जो पहले का हमने प्रोसीजर देखा था जहां पे हम लोग जाके सर्च बार में कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट सर्च करते हैं या फिर वी कैन ऑल्सो एड इट टू वॉच लिस्ट already, and based on that once we click on that particular contract, यहाँ पे मैंने 24,800 कॉल निफ्टी का सिलेक्ट किया है. Okay, so if I want to buy it, I can click on buy button. I also have other tools over here available, information like open, high, close, etc. Here we have to enter all the order details like we had seen earlier. And post that, once we enter all the details, we can click on buy. And here as usual we have to review all the details of the orders and we can click on confirm buy. So the order is placed. So once we place the order, we can see the orders into the order book. We can click on order book. यहाँ पे आपको open, closed, जो भी आपके orders है, अगर execute हो गया तो आपको ये closed नहीं मिलेगा. अगर आपने limit order डाला है, pending है, तो आपको open orders में देखने को मिलेगा. जो आपके open positions होंगे, once you click on the positions button, you can see your open positions. Now, as we saw how to place the orders into the options or F&O or for the trading, we also have to see how to add the stop loss to the existing position. That is also very much important. All right. So as we had placed the order, हमें positions में हमारा open position जो भी available रहता है वो दिखता है, right? So we have to click on square off button. Post that this page will be opened. Okay, यहाँ पे हमें order type में SL select करना है. Once we click on SL, यहाँ पे हमारे लिए दो price fields available हो जाते हैं. Two price fields are enabled once we click on SL order type. Okay, one is price and one is trigger price. So trigger price is something where the stop loss order will be triggered. Okay, so let's just see with example. यहाँ पे हम लोग prices का input डालेंगे and then we will see the example. So into the trigger price, I have entered 4.5. Okay, and into the price field, I have entered 4. So what does it mean? जब भी निफ्टी 24,800 कॉल का प्राइस नीचे आके 4.5 को टच करेगा, आपका स्टॉप लॉस ऑर्डर ट्रिगर हो जाएगा. ओके, एंड इट विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड बिटवीन 4 to 4.5 because this is the limit price, right? So between your limit price and trigger price, your order will be executed at the best bid. Okay, so this is how we can place the stop loss as well. Post you enter your prices into the fields, we can click on sell and the order will be, here you have to review the details and you have to click on confirm sell order and the order will be placed. Similarly, आप order book में जाके आपके जो order details है वो check कर सकते हैं. So into equity, we have something called cover orders as well. So cover orders may, this is something like a safe order. Okay, so once at the time of your entry, you can also place the stop loss order as well at the same time in the same order. So that also we will see how to do it. So same way, जैसे हमने dashboard से कोई stock select किया, search किया, उसके बाद हमें order page पर जाना है. Okay. So here into the product type, the only difference is that into the product type you have to swipe and you have to select the cover order. So as I explained you all, cover order में क्या होता है? Cover order में जब आप trade में या फिर stock में entry ले रहे हो, entry के time ही you can place the stop loss amount as well. तो जब भी आपका position open रहता है, it is very much safe क्योंकि आपका stop loss भी system में ही है. So your entry will be done at the market price and same way जैसे हमने stop loss order में देखा था, trigger price and limit price will be enabled. सो यहाँ पे आप ट्रिगर प्राइस एंड लिमिट प्राइस डाल सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पे मैंने ट्रिगर प्राइस 520 डाला है एंड पोस्ट दैट लिमिट प्राइस इज ऑल्सो एडिटेबल. तो आप आपके विश के हिसाब से लिमिट प्राइस को भी डाल सकते हैं. आई हैव एंटर्ड 505 विच मीन्स दैट अगर ये स्टॉक विप्रो अगर नीचे आके 520 को टच करता है तो मैं मेरा स्टॉप लॉस ऑर्डर ट्रिगर हो जाएगा एंड इट विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड बिटवीन 505 to 520. Suppose that with the similar procedure we can place the order. So there is also something called like pledging of the stock, right? All of you are very much familiar. When when you need extra margin, you can pledge the stocks that are there into your holdings or into your portfolio. So how to do that? Let's just see. So once you land on your dashboard, you can go into your portfolio. This is the portfolio button into the bottom bar. You can click on it. यहाँ पे आपके सारे जो होल्डिंग्स होंगे वो दिखाई देंगे. बट यू हैव टू गो इनटू डीमैट बैलेंस. डीमैट बैलेंस में आपकी फ्री जो भी क्वांटिटी रहती है, फॉर एग्जांपल कोई स्टॉक आपके पास है, उसमें से हो सकता है कि कुछ यूनिट्स आपने पहले ही प्लेज करे हो, राइट? सो यहाँ पे डीमैट बैलेंस में आपको फ्री क्वांटिटी पता चलती है, विच इज योर प्योर होल्डिंग विच इज नॉट प्लेज्ड येट. सो दिस इज द फ्री क्वांटिटी. सो डीमैट बैलेंस में आके आपको सिलेक्ट करना है जो भी स्टॉक्स या फिर जो भी होल्डिंग में आपको प्लेज करना है. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन दैट. सो दिस पेज विल बी ओपन्ड. हियर यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन प्लेज एंड यू हैव टू एंटर द क्वांटिटी. जितने स्टॉक्स आपके होल्डिंग में से आपको प्लेज करने हैं वो क्वांटिटी आपको यहाँ पे एंटर करनी है एंड पोस्ट दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन होल्ड. जस्ट अ सेकेंड. या सो वंस यू एंटर योर क्वांटिटी यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन hold button and it will be pledged. So with this we have seen most of the important features that we have into this new and advanced app called InvestRight, right? So now if you have any questions, any of your queries, we can answer them right now. Okay, so for the question and answer part, we just a second. So we have the product experts with us. We have Abhishek Pathak and we have Tarang Sonali. Both of them are product experts. So all of your queries can be answered very well over here. So if you have any queries, you can post them into the question box and they will be answered. All right. So it's over to you, Tarang.
Yeah, thank you, Sonali, and thank you everyone for joining in. Whatever questions we have, whatever questions we have got, please write it on the question answer panel. We'll try to answer most of them. We have already received a lot of questions, so we'll try to answer one by one for that. So one question is by Mr. Netravati Bhatt. Is login credentials for the app is same? Yes, there is nothing, no different for the login credentials. Whatever login credentials you use for HDFC Securities web trading platform or the existing mobile app of HDFC Securities, the same would be there for the IR. There won't be any change in the login credentials. There is one more question which has been asked is, can you please guide us through the app where to set MPIN by Mr. Harvinder Kaur. Mr. Harvinder, you can go to profile section. Under that profile section, there is a settings. There is a settings tab into it. In that you can set MPIN. You can also set various login models. So like touch ID and face ID. So you can also use that. So you can change and set your MPIN from that. One more question is, please run. We have already run through the app. I mean, Sonali have presented whatever details in there. Major features we have already run through it. If in case you want to visit this is already uploaded in the YouTube. You can refer the recordings of that. You can go to YouTube channel under that HDFC Securities. you can see this session, which is already uploaded. Like right now, it is live, and you can check the details of all the order details, whatever you want to see. One more question, for commodity trading, what we have to do. So right now, commodity is not live. Very soon, we'll be coming out with this commodity trading in HDFC securities, InvestRight application also. In commodities, we'll be able to trade once it goes live. So very soon, we'll be coming out with this commodity section. One question by Mr. Suryamani is, can I get the recordings of this webinar? Yes, it is already available in the YouTube channel. You can refer to that whenever you want, and you can check all the features which we have showcased you in this session. You can check all this whenever you want. It is already available in our YouTube channel. Mr. Velen is asking, I have been using InvestRight, curious to know about the latest updates. It's a very good platform, Mr. Velen. It's a power pack platform. The old version of HDFC securities that didn't have much of the features. This InvestRight has a lot of features available in this app, which will help you to not only make the trade, but also it will help you to make the decisions, to take the decisions. So because there are a lot of analytical tools which are available, based upon that you can take the decisions and you can trade. So it is a perfect app with a lot of functionalities. So we request you to please explore this. Yeah, Mr. Suryamani have asked, need a brief on the stop loss. So I think you can refer to our YouTube channel. We have already showed how to place the stop loss. How to do GTD orders in derivatives. So as of now, in InvestRight app, GTD orders is not available. Very soon, we'll also come up with this GTD orders in derivatives. So there is one more question by Mr. Mitra Investment. Can I buy direct scheme mutual funds from InvestRight? So basically, if you can refer to our mutual fund section in the profiles, there are various mutual funds which are available in the profiles. You can just have a look into it. Dinesh Nayak Mr. Dinesh Nayak is asking, ETFs will be available in separate section. So here in InvestRight app, Mr. Dinesh, if you search for any of the symbol, so we give you searching options based upon your equity, futures, options, ETFs. So that you don't have to look on for the different symbols. So you can search for in different sections. So there is an ETF tab is also given. So whatever ETF you want to buy or sell, you just have to click on that ETF on the search panel, and you will be showcased based upon your search parameters. You will be showcased all the ETFs which are available based upon your search parameters. Mr. Mithilesh Pal is asking, earlier with HDFC securities, we did not need to hold fund to get auto hold and release. So here, basically, while placing the order, you will have to hold the fund. You will basically in this InvestRight app also, whenever you do any kind of transactions, at that point of time only you will have to hold your funds. It will be auto hold and release. If in case your order is pending and if it's not executed, end of the day this fund will be released to your bank account. So this is the same thing which we have been using in all our trading platform, being it web trading platform or being it a mobile trading platform. Mr. Shobhit Arora is trading. It does not show 52 week high and low. So that is available. If you go into search for any of the particular symbol, we have different cards for it, like market data. We have fundamental data. So in that market data, you will be able to see 52-week high and low for that particular stocks which you are using. This is available. So in the search, if you go to particular script, you will be able to see that 52-week high and low. Mr. Adni is asking, is virtual trading functionality available in option trading? No, virtual trading is not available in InvestRight app right now. So one more question by Mr. Ratindranath Das. I am successfully using your old and new app, also online platforms. My question is, currently none of HDFC Securities platform give my capital gain statement with buy and sell price of the stocks. It is already available in InvestRight, sir. You can visit to our profile section. Under that profile section, there is a tab called as reports. In that reports, right now we are showcasing three types of reports. One is P&L report, one is capital gain report, and the other is XIR reports. So in that capital gain reports, we do showcase you the report with the buy and sell price, buy and sell quantity. You can refer to that in our report section in InvestRight app. And in our web trading platform, in the ITS, that is Entrade and Empowered, there are various reports which are available, which can be used for your income tax purposes. You can also explore that section too. So Mr. Ivan Lobo is asking, is there any expiry date of these stop loss? No, there is no expiry date. Basically, so what happens if the stop loss order is only for a particular day? So right now, since as I told, GTD orders is not available, the stop loss order is only for the for a particular day. So particular day would be the expiry. So for a day only, you will be able to place a stop loss. Mithilesh Pal is asking, can we add stop loss to portfolio stop? Of course, you can place stop loss for any of the thing. But if I'm not mistaken, if you are if you want to place a GTD orders, then right now it's not there. We will be coming out soon. Mr. Dinesh Naik is asking, can we pledge stocks on same trading day? Yes, you can pledge the stock on the same trading day. So you have been asking that basically if you buy any securities and instantly if you want to pledge, that is not possible. But if you want to pledge the stocks and utilize that particular margin the same day, that is possible. Mr. Banu Kumar is telling good session. So yes, all credit goes to Sonali. She has given a very good presentation. So one more question by Mr. Hemant is how to set MPIN. So as I told, in the profile section, you can go to your profile section and then you can visit the settings. There is a settings tab into it, and then you can change your MPIN basically from that. Mr. Anil is asking, thank you. I'm using iPhone and I had difficulties in placing orders during IPO. So we will glad to know more about this. I mean, what kind of difficulties you are facing it. So if you whatever difficulties you have a screenshot, you can mail to our customer service, and we will surely look into it. So there is one more question by Mr. Vivek Singh. Is e-margin is only available for resident account and not for NRI account? Is that correct? Yes. So e-margin you can do only for your resident account. Mr. Pankaj Gupta is asking, how can we log into our browser? So it's easy. Go to hdfcsec.com. In that hdfcsec.com, you will be able to see a login section. In that, you need to just put on the credentials would be the same, and then you need to just verify with your OTP, and you can the same credentials you can log into your web trading platform also in the browser. So Mr. Pradeep Tripathi have been asking that how the pledge stocks can be sold on the same day. So pledge stock, to sell the pledge stocks, you can use that call sell option. There is an option called as call sell. So whenever you have a pledge stocks and you want to sell it on the same day, in InvestRight application we have an call sell feature functionality. So once you go, once you sell any kind of an security which is already pledged in the order pad, once you reach to the order pad, there is a call sell option. So in the with the call sell option, you will be able to sell the securities or the symbol which have been underlying assets which have been pledged. So no need to unpledge and then sell. You can directly sell it with the functionality called as call sell. Mr. Sandeep Goyal is asking how to see list of securities eligible for cash equivalent for pledging. So Mr. Sandeep, I can just share my screen and I will just show it to you. So once you visit hdfcsec.com, I'm not able to share my screen. Sonali, can you just share your screen? Can you just visit to hdfcsec.com?
Yeah, just a second.
Sonali, are you there?
Yes.
Just go down. So here, once you visit hdfcsec.com, there is a section called as important information. Yeah, there is a section called as important information just after the account opening. There is a section called as important information. Just down. Yeah. Huh. In that, there is a tab called as list of eligible securities. Yes. Yeah. So once you go this in list of eligible securities, there is a second option, shares as collateral hold. Just click on that, shares as collateral hold. And here you will be able to see whatever scripts are available for non-cash. And beneath last, go to last page. And here you will be able to see in the last what are the securities available for cash. So as an HSL right now, we are allowing sovereign gold bond and GSEC. If you want to pledge sovereign gold bond and GSEC, that is also available to trade in derivatives market, which is considered as a cash collateral. So it's a very useful tool. You can explore it and you can get this data from here, as we mentioned. So we'll again go to the question. So Mr. Rajendra Kamath is asking, to execute an option strategy, we have to buy and sell multiple options. Is it possible to execute a strategy? Mr. Rajendra, we have come out with an interesting tool called as Insta Options. You can explore Insta Options with us. Go to hdfcsec.com. In that, under derivatives, there is an Insta Options. So Insta Options is a very good tool for an option trader, wherein you will be able to yes, Sonali, thank you. So here, go to hdfcsec.com. Under products, there is an Insta Options. So Insta Options is a very good tool to basically use. Here you have to just fit in your credentials. Here you can you can do a multiple strategy. Basically, you can execute multi-leg strategies. You can also analyze a lot of options. There are a lot of tools for your analysis purposes to make decisions, and also can execute multi-leg strategy on a single go. So no need to first execute buy leg and then execute sell leg. Now no need to do that. You can directly execute multi-leg strategy, 2 leg, 3 leg, 4 leg strategy in one single screen. So we'll request you to log into Insta Options. It's free of cost. There is nothing which we are charging. It's free of cost to all our HDFC Securities client. And basically, for the one who have derivative privilege, will be able to trade. If you don't have derivative privilege, you can opt for derivative privilege first, and then you can visit our Insta Options so that you can execute your trades. It's a very good tool. You should explore it for traders. Mr. Kumar Vijay is asking how to unpledge stocks. So as Kumar Vijay, in profile section, again, if you go to profile section, there will be a tab called as, there will be a button, I would say, called as stock limit. So in that stock limit, you will be able to see all of your stocks which are pledged. To unpledge, there will be an option over there to unpledge. So go to your IR, log into your IR. In that, go to your profile section. In that, there will be an option called as stock limit. Mr. Manoj is asking, how does our existing portfolio in HDFC Securities gets migrated to InvestRight app? There is nothing. It's automated process. It will be automatically all your portfolio right now. Also, if you log into our InvestRight app, you will be able to see your portfolio which you have. So there is nothing which is be done. It's an automated process. All of the details will be seen visible, same as it is in the HDFC Securities app. You will see all the details, all your positions, all your MTA positions, FNO positions, and your demat holdings will be seen in that app also, in the InvestRight app. Mr. Soumitra is asking, do you have web-based application? Yes, you can go to hdfcsec.com. We have a web-based application that is called as Entrade or Empowered. We also have an advanced web trade application called as Pro Terminal. So you can visit that too. So Mr. Rajesh is asking how much time to pledge the share and get credit. So Mr. Rajesh, if you pledge the shares from our ITS, that is web trading platform, you will get the credit instantly. But in InvestRight app, we are working on it right now. To get the credit, it takes time. But if you log into a web trading platform by visiting hdfcsecurities.com and then you pledge the shares, you will get the credit instantly, whatever margin, whatever stocks you have pledged. So Mr. Brahma is asking, from when will InvestRight come into force and existing app will be decommenced? So Mr. Brahma, InvestRight is already in the force since last 1.5 years. Go to Play Store and type InvestRight, HDFC InvestRight. You will be able to download this app. It was there since last 1 year or so, but right now it has been established with full-fledged functionalities, and now we are migrating the normal HDFC Sec to sunset, and all the clients to migrate from that to our new PowerPack app called as InvestRight app. So it is already available, and you can download it from the Play Store. I think we have answered most of the questions. So again, we'll thank you everyone for attending this session. I hope this session was quite useful for all of you to understand about InvestRight application. And as we mentioned in the beginning that in the end of this month, our old app of HDFC Securities will get sunset. That means you will be now told to trade in InvestRight application. So download InvestRight application, start exploring InvestRight application. I'm sure you will get a very good experience of trading, being it equity investments, being in FNO, mutual funds, IPOs. So you will get a lot of good functionalities over there. And I hope you enjoy this trading experience. So from all of us, we thank you all again of attending this session, and have a nice weekend ahead. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thanks, Taran.
Yeah.
Thanks, Abhishek.
Thank you.